Welcome to our YouTube channel on job discovery. The topic going look today is ages. Question number 1. The present ages of Ramesh and Pramod are in the ratio 6:7 respectively. After 8 years, this ratio becomes 7:8. Then the after 5 years age of Pramod in years is. Then the after 5 years age of Pramod in years is. So the present age of Ramesh and Pramod. Ramesh and Pramod ratio present 6:7 and in future after 8 years, right? After 8 years becomes 7:8. So 6:7 considered 6x and 7x. After 8 years 6x plus 8 divide 7x plus 8 becomes 7:8, right? So 8 6 is 48, 48x plus 8 8 is 64 is equal to 7 7 is 49 x and 7 into 8 is plus 56. So 49x minus 48x is equal to x and 64 minus 56 is equal to 8, right? So x is equal to 8. Our target to find after 5 years Pramod in years. After 5 years. So this is Ramesh and this is Pramod, right? This is Ramesh and this is Pramod. So after 5 years, this is present. So 7 into 8 will be 56. After 5 years plus 5, so will be 1 and 6. So after 5 years, Pramod will be 61 years, right? See here once again, present ratio is 6:7, Ramesh and Pramod. In future, after 8 years, distance is 8 years, right? Will be 7:8. So we have to 8 because 8 years after. So 6x plus 8 divide 7x plus 8 is equal to 7/8. So after multiply 8 6 is 48x and 8 8 is 64 is equal to 7 7 is 49x and 7 8 is 56. So 49x minus 48x is equal to x and 64 minus 56 is equal to 8. Our target to find what is the Pramod age after 5 years. So present age is 56, right? 7x, x is equal to 8. So 7 into 8 is 56. After 5 years, 56 plus 5 is equal to 61, right? We have another way to solve this question. Now see here. Here difference is 1, right? And also here difference is 1. 1 is difference and 1 denoted 8, right? 1 denoted 8. Pramod age will be 7 into 8. In present, this is present age 56. Our target to find what will be after 5 years. So 56 plus 5, it is 61. So after 5 years will be 61 years, which means option C is the correct answer. So next question, move to question number 2. Next question, the present age of Rahul is 8 times of age of the sun. 8 years hence the ratio of the age of Rahul and his son will be 10:3. How old is Rahul at present? So now see here, the present age of Rahul and his son is 8 times. Rahul is 8 times, means 8:1. Hence means after 8 years. After 8 years, ratio becomes 10:3. After 8 years, right? So difference is here 2. Also here difference is 2. So 2 denoted 8. So 1 unit will be 4, right? This is present ratio and this is future ratio after 8 years, right? So our target to find what is the year age. So 1 unit is equal to 4. So 8 into 4 will be 32. So Rahul age is 32 years, right? Let's solve traditional method with traditional method. Now see here, this is 8x ratio and this is x, right? So after we have to plus is by x plus 8 becomes 10:3. So 3 into 8 will be 24x, right? And 3 into x is 3 into 8 is 24 is equal to 10 into x is 10x plus 10 into 8 is 80. So 24x minus 10x is 14x and plus 24. So here will be 80 minus 24 is equal to 80 minus 24 will be 56. So x is equal to 14 for the 56. X is equal to 4. Our target to find present Rahul age, right? So this is 8x. Present Rahul age is 8x. So 8 into 4. 8 into 4 will be 32. So from here we found Rahul age is 32 years, which means option B is the correct answer. So move to question number 3. Next question. 10 years ago R was half of Q's age. If the ratio of their present ages is 3:4, what will be the total their present ages? What will be the total their present ages? This is R and this is O. R is half of O. So suppose O is 2, so R will be 1. This is past ratio, right? Present ratio is 3:4 minus 10, right? Past ratio means minus 10 years ago. So consider 3x and 4x. 3x minus 10 by 4x minus 10 becomes 1/2. 2 into 3x is equal to 6x minus 10 into 2 is 20 is equal to 1 into 4x is 4x minus 1 into 10 is 10. So 6x minus 4x is 2x is equal to 20 minus 10 is only 10. So x is equal to 5, right? Our target to find what is the sum of their ages. So present sum of their ages is 3 plus 4 7 7x, right? So x is equal to 5, so 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, let's solve with shortcut method, right? Now see here, what is the difference here? Difference is 2. Also here difference is 2. 2 denoted 10, so 1 is equal to 5. Our target to find what is the sum of present their ages. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 5 is equal to 35, right? So our answer is 35. Option number, which option is the correct? Option number C is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends who are preparing examination. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.